Hello everyone. This video I'm going to show you how you can install the firesend app with a downloader code. As you know, it's no longer in the Firestick App Store, no longer in the Google Play Store. With one downloader code you can download the firesend app. So the first thing we need to do is get downloader. Let's go over to apps. Go down to search, click on search, and click on downloader. Don't click on it, type downloader. Sorry about that. Okay, you click on the first one, AFTV News. Click install. Now I'm using the own 4K streaming box. This will work on any own 4K streaming device. Okay, now that it's been downloaded, I'm going to click on the home button on the remote. Go into my apps. First of all, let's go up here into settings. Nope, sorry. Let's go back down. Let's open downloader. Let's go over to your right to where the pound symbol is at. Click on it and type in this code. Sorry. 527 4461. Click on the check mark. And this should download the app. This is going to be a short video. Now, if this pops up, click on settings. Click on downloader. Go to your left, click install. You see app install, click done. Delete installation files. Click on the home button. And there go firesend right there. Click on firesend. It says update. Click on update. And you can see it opens up. It's working. Now you go down here to firesend. If this pops up, click on firesend. So it could allow from unknown sources, unknown apps. Go down to room and you could click on any room right here. Click on the room and everything works. I'm going to click on my room. You can check out all the apps there if you like. And as you can see, it works. Okay, now click on the back arrow on the twice on the remote. And you're out. As you can see, it works. That's a great app. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.